Spring is almost here. Let Goldin Metals help with your carport and patio covers. Whether it's to cover your car, boat, trailer, or grill, having it covered will make your spring and summer more enjoyable and reduce wear and tear on those items. We can custom roll your panels so you get exactly what you want, or you can pull from our wide selection of stock panels. We can also bend the square tubing for your carport and weld the base for an easier install. Look at these finished patios and carports for your next project idea. Our panels are available in multiple colors, lengths, and gauges, ensuring we have or can produce what you need. Save on your next patio or carport by buying directly from the manufacturer. Contact our sales staff to talk about your next patio or carport and get a free quote.